Assalamu alaikum viewer. If your printer is in turn on but no display and it is in default or okay, then what will be the problem? I will tell you how you can fix this problem quickly. This is a HP LaserJet M402DW printer and you have to check this cable. Here you can see that this cable has been removed or damaged. Here you can two pin has been damaged. You have to check it. If it loose or not working properly, then it means that the problem is because it takes power from air. From here, when it damaged or not work properly or loose, then there will be no display. Then we have to fix it quickly. So let's check the problem. It's still solved or not? No, we just have to check this strip carefully. Here you can see that the points are moved or bent. That's why the problem is occurred. So we have to fix these pins. Let's remove the power, and after that you can see that the pins moved or bent behind, so we have to fix it. You just have to clear it. Here you can see that very carefully it can be damaged, so just you have to fix it. Very carefully you have to fix it. Just you need to straight it. It bends behind. When you open the printer or it loose by any reason, then you have to adjust this pin. Now here you can see that the pins are now in the straight format. So let's try to fix it. Very careful, it can be damaged. Just we need to fix it behind. I am using the mobile in my other hand, that's why it's difficult. So you have to fix it like this. Here you can, it has been fixed. Now power in and check the display. Now here you can see that now the display is turning on and power is came in the display. So you just have to check this connection cable because it takes power from that strip. So if you find this video is helpful, please like this video, share this video, and you can also subscribe this channel for more information. Just you have to remove this side cover. How you can remove this side cover I have already told. How you can assemble or disassemble HP LaserJet 402 printer. So just you need to fix this thing. So thanks for watching, take care.